Time to get on another tender.
Let's go.
Our favorite thing. I finally got my seltzer.
Day 6, finally got a seltzer. Grand Caymen seltzer.
Sounds really sad because I don't actually just drink that many seltzers. It just feels really light on your stomach after a whole cruise week of food. And
very good.
yeah.
I would highly suggest this spot.
Yeah, what's it called? Sandbar?
Sandbar.
Sandbar.
Okay. I think the other one's called Sandbar by the creek.
They're all called Sandbar. Mango Tango.
Tango. Made in Grand Caymen, 4.8%. From Caymen Island Breweries.
I'll try. Is it good?
It is. It's not quite a mango part, but it's good.
So we're really good at port days. Get off, find a beer, drink it, get back on the boat.
Good stuff.
Norwegian breakaway is eerily sailing into the storm. Dun 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 dun. Look at this beautiful ocean and the beautiful sunset. It's incredible.
Oh yeah. Ooh, it looks blondish in that lighting.
It does. We have a little spotlight.
Well, night 6.
Night 6.
Oh, we're here.
We're
Still here. On
We're still
vacation.
here.
On a boat. We still got a full sea day tomorrow. Ooh.
Woo!
And
We
another
went to
fun night.
Cayman today and we got off and we finally had a
It was a
little
good time.
We
Abby
walked
found a
around.
seltzer. First seltzer.
Yeah. And then we took a nap. First nap of the boat.
Loved it. Now, first dinner at Blue, which is the Aqua Class specialty restaurant included with the cabin. So
They actually
see how
called
it is.
us the other day and they're like, you guys know you paid for this and you haven't dined with us yet.
whoops. There's too many
We
good
do.
options. All the main dining is awesome. So easy to bounce around. And Eden was insane last night. So
Incredible.
no regrets. But let's go to Blue.
What is it?
Luggage tags.
Already it's day 6. No.
They always did that on the 7. That's right, because on Independence we laughed. It was day 2. You got the luggage tags.
Tell me you love crab cakes without telling me you love crab cakes.
I love crab cakes.
We got pizza and a McUltra because apparently they have a late night menu up at the buffet.
I love their pizza.
And we just saw a comedy show. I went to Family Feud, not Family Feud.
Yeah, everything today.
Frisky Feud. But one of our biggest tiffs about these infinite verandas is that the captain keeps locking them on us. So this morning it was like sprinkling out, not even, and then it stopped and they were closed for hours. We couldn't get fresh air, and now we come back like every night and we just want to open it and sit down on our balcony, and it's windy.
It's not raining. That's all we know.
It's just a little windy.
It's not
I guess.
raining. It is roughish seas, not insane. The seas wouldn't matter, but clearly somewhat windy, but not like
huge
It's not
downfall.
a hurricane out here.
No, you can't even feel it really. But huge downfall with these infinite verandas.
There's a feeling of not claustrophobia. That's a strong word, but like pay for a balcony because people don't want to feel trapped. But now the truth is, this is just an ocean view window, a beautiful floor to ceiling one.
You can't see out of and get fresh air at night. Ow!
Right. So it's interesting. And food for thought for people booking it.
Yeah.
Because they do sell normal verandas.
Yeah.
There's just not a lot on the ship. And you don't pay more for them. If anything, it may even be a little bit cheaper. But they sell this as like the luxury or the...
But it does make your room feel huge, which is really nice. But we're gonna go to bed tomorrow. It's our last day. Good night. It's a windy day. The boat's really moving. The pool is sloshing back and forth. White caps everywhere. The ceiling down here looks like it might fall off. It's our first time trying real champagne. Ginger ale martini for the rough seas.
Did you try it?
No.
He's drowning.
Jack is drowning from his ship. Bananas Foster martini.
Oh, that's fun. Yeah.
You can't drink Jack.
Where's Rose? quarter carver sandwich, chicken pesto, salad, lady,
ancient grain bowl.
and the best brownie on the boat. Funny, they're consistently big, but then every like 30 seconds to a minute, there's like a giant. That is nuts. Smile, Abs. Drinking Aperol Spritz, aka holding mine. Love you.
Make the best of it. JJ's having a shoe sock dilemma.
Yeah.
White shoes, no socks. Or you would have worn.
Shout out J Pring.
Or like, yeah,
Justin
Justin.
For the record, this is the dilemma. Bam,
White.
Bam, 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 bam.
Or.
Bam, bam, bam. Or just
Just go like that. Yeah.
Like, what are you talking about?
Yeah. It's
Wow.
perfect.
It's the way I talk. Now?
We're going back to our favorite restaurant tonight. Tuscany, because JJ wants carbonara, but we found out that you can order the food from the other restaurants. So we want the saganaki from Cyprus, so we're gonna try it.
And then we're gonna put these bad boys to work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, forgot to say, Chianti Classico is in my near future with the white shirt. Who's the bravest?
I'm probably
the bravest.
So we feel like every night at all these restaurants, everybody on Celebrity, they all just drink wine at dinner. So it's the thing to do.
When we say like everyone's not like 55, 65, 75%. No, I mean like 99.
Yeah, like
999.
you don't order your drink of choice
Even
at
the
dinner.
crew
You
is
just get the
drinking
wine.
when
You
they
just
serve
do
you.
wine.
Yeah, that's true.
So
I'm gonna drink some vino tonight.
and we had a really rough day at sea.
The roughest, but
We're here now, and it's our last
Still here.
night.
the best.
Oh, you know when you see them, they get all confused.
JJ in the wild, having his 17th shrimp cocktail on the cruise, maybe 20th. You can take the man out of Florida, but you can't not give him 500 shrimp cocktails. And they're gone in that 20 seconds.
We're on Celebrity Apex.
He has carbonara. He has ravioli. I have chicken and short rib.
Andy's first big wheel bonus. I guess 30.
Dinner at Tuscany was just as we imagined. It was so good.
Wow, mi amore.
JJ ate 5 times his body weight in pasta and dessert.
I mean, to be honest, it was only 3 appetizers, 2 main courses, two desserts, a coffee,
And 2 glasses of Chianti Classico.
Classico, though. You got to make sure the rooster's on the bottle. Let's go, Italy.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. But it's our last night. We're gonna go secure a couple beers for our room to come back and pack with, and maybe make one last stop at the casino.
But maybe.
Turn in our
I
chips.
mean, definitely. And then probably gonna
Disembark.
canoodle.
And then
Or that.
disembark in the morning.
Not tonight. We're not disembarking tonight.
Well, that was our trip on Celebrity Apex.
Love you.
Good night.
Love you, mommy. Love you, mommy. Love you, fam. Thanks for watching.